Hey everyone, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So following up on a native garden food forest that we installed here in Manhattan Beach about 9 months ago, more like 6 months ago actually. So here's the food forest part. We've got some fruit trees and also some veggie boxes with micro sprays on them. And we've got the natives that have a little bit of dieback. And here's more native plants with a grapefruit tree. Here's some Penstemon Pocahontas, daisies, Douglas iris. There's sort of an espaliered Fuji apple tree that's just starting to come back. Actually, I think it's a 3-in-1 apple. Neat little table with the little Mexican pebbles. Waterfall, it's not on right now, but it's a little early for the neighbors. But check out the Mexican primrose along with the armeria. Both of these are considered California-friendly native. Here's an armesia. This is the Powys Castle, the one right there. It's not exactly the native, but it's very close. It's super drought tolerant. And then we have this, notice, so when it's running, you have the waterfall there, and then the stairway kind of mimics it. And we've got some yarrow here, which is just starting to pop with color. Here's some calendrinia, which is a California-friendly plant. And then between the stairs here, we've got the yarrow, and then we've got some butterfly bushes here to bring in the pollinators. So this is kind of a native garden slash pollinator garden slash food forest. So another citrus. Here's some California daisies. Here's a salvia, Salvia spathaceae, hummingbird sage. Check out those nectarines. It's Salvia bonbon, true California native. It's more of a ground cover. And don't want to miss this. This is the pollinator fountain. So pollinators can kind of rest on the dry part there and take a drink. And here's some native milkweed. And then more natives. And then here's the umbrella with the seats that just kind of hang out. And then here's the another stairway that leads up to the top gate to the left up there. So this is a newer garden, and so things are just kind of filling in. Matilda poppy, check those out. It looks like a fried egg, doesn't it? Kind of cool to have that. See a little bit of drip irrigation sticking up right there, so we're gonna have to bring more mulch by. And we have a fruit tree here. It's called the, it's a relative of the manzanita. Check out that red bark, beautiful red bark. It actually gets fruit the size of a strawberry. That's where it gets the name strawberry tree from. So a little manzanita right there, along with some more yarrow. Beautiful. And so here's the buckwheat right here. Check out those flowers. Okay, we could do this all day. Just love the natives. Anyway, we're going to pin up the that's actually passion fruit, passion vine, passion fruit, passion flower. It's the food producing kind, so we're gonna put that up. And then just one more thing, draw your attention. That's a native bee house. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? So it helps the bees because they don't colonize like the European honeybees. They actually live, they're more solitary. So there's more of a kind of a overall picture of everything. Okay, thanks for joining me. This is a follow-up. Mike with Enviroscape LA. When you think permaculture and sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.